The world-class business school at the University of Exeter has one of the largest student intakes in the country, with 720 admitted this academic year. Of that number, 33% are international students. This then brings us to the two key themes of the Integrate project: to promote a learning ethos in which this large number of students can actively participate and integrate as a cohesive group. Secondly, to create an environment in which diversity is both valued and well catered for.
12 years ago, I worked with BP to set up a series of half-day team development programmes as an introductory activity for first years. Team development is still running today, and the feedback from the business school early this October is overwhelmingly positive, despite the cold and the rain. But what's this to do with technology, you might ask? Well, perhaps this video is more to do with integration than technology. What's important is we can learn from students about what they appreciate and why. What do they gain from the team development programme? Why is it always so successful? And what then can this tell us about how we use technology to support students?
The programme required students to work in teams on several fun and challenging tasks to achieve a clear objective.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, we're not holding that, are we?
Better get involved.
We need unless we lasso. Unless you get it on the end of a
Sit down.
Here's what some students thought of the programme. How do you think this is of use to students, particularly international students who have just come here from perhaps another culture?
Well, first of all, it breaks down those barriers, establishes the lines of communication. And actually, although culturally they might be different, and languages, English might not be their first language, but they work out a way of making it all happen.
Did you enjoy today, the team building?
Yeah, it was a really good experience. I mean, I got to meet up with a lot of people from here and also some international students. It actually helped to integrate both the international community as well as the local one. And it was actually a very good team building skill. I mean, it actually helped me open up a lot to the more people over here.
It's exactly these kinds of outcomes that we're using technology for. Audience response systems, often in lecture groups of over 300 students, to promote engagement and participation. SMS with students participating through use of their mobile phones. Students using flip video cameras on a large scale, or wikis, to promote group cohesion and learning from each other. In these ways, the expectations raised by team development are integrated into the everyday ways of learning and studying throughout the first year. At the same time, these technologies, alongside those that support, for example, e-revision and e-assessment, make it possible for staff to provide better learning experiences and broader opportunities for all students, despite the large and diverse cohorts.